Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show one of my favorite sweet chips, caramel tuile. Very easy to make, but taste and looks amazing. So let's do it. For this recipe you need only 4 things: sugar, plain flour, butter and glucose. The full recipe will be in the description down below. And I start with mixing butter, sugar and glucose inside a pot. I'm gonna bring it to the boil and cook it for around 30 seconds. After that, you can put your flour in and cook it for around 30 seconds more. At this time, you can transfer everything inside a plastic container. I'm using baking paper so it's not gonna stick, and put it inside the fridge to set. And you should end up with something like this. Then you can just cut it easily with a knife, and you wanna roll the balls with your hands, and then you spread it on the baking paper. If you wanna do big chips, you make big balls. If you want to make just small chips, you do small balls. Easy. And you bake it like this, 170 degrees Celsius, around 7 minutes, or until you get brown color like this. Then you can dry it on the paper towel and the chips are ready. Amazing garnish for your fine dining desserts. You can also experiment and put some different spices like cinnamon, cardamom, etc. So good luck and have fun. And if you want to learn another fine dining chips, check out this video and learn how you can make these amazing milk chips at home. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.